Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I am going to provide you multiple choice question of chapter number 5. These are important questions. Chapter number 5 is about application of computer science. Chapter 5, question number 1. What is artificial intelligence primarily concerned with? That is physical hardware, mechanical design, simulating human intelligence, and web development. The correct option is simulating human intelligence. Question number 2, machine learning is a subset of. Machine learning किसका subset है? Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, data science, and programming. The correct option is machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. That is option B. Question number 3, AI system learn from repetition only, statistic rule, data and experience, and code libraries. The correct option is AI system learn from data and experience. That is option number C. What does a supervised learning model require? Labeled data, unlabeled data, no data, or encrypted input? The correct option is labeled data. Supervised learning model required a labeled data. Which of these is an example of machine learning? Compiling code, spam email detection, saving a document, typing on keyboard. The correct option is spam email detection is an example of machine learning. That is option B. Question number 6. Unsupervised learning works with real-time feedback, clean and labeled input, unlabeled data, fixed output. The correct option is unlabeled data. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. A chatbot is an application of database management, hardware networking, artificial intelligence, and operating system. The correct option is artificial intelligence. A chatbot is an application of artificial intelligence. Which language is popular for AI programming? HTML, JavaScript, Python, SQL. The popular for AI programming is Python. Python is a programming language that can used in AI and machine learning. Which branch of AI deals with understanding languages? Robotics, natural language processing, machine vision, and neural network. The correct option is natural language processing. That is option B. Question number 10. Which AI concept is inspired by the human brain? Machine learning, expert system, neural networks, and data structures. The correct option is neural network. Question number 11. In autonomous car is an example of static computing, reactive programming, AI in robotics, and software engineering. The correct option is AI in robotics. That is option C. What is deep learning? A type of hardware installation, programming language, machine learning, data encryption. The correct option is machine learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning. That is option C. Question number 13. Vision system in AI are used for editing document, visual recognition task, creating videos, rendering 3D models. The correct option is visual recognition task. That is option B. Question number 14. Expert systems are designed to write code, replace hardware, make decisions like a human expert, render image faster. The correct option is expert systems are designed to make decisions like a human expert. That is option C. Question number 15. Cloud computing delivers services over the USB, cloud drive, internet, intranet only. The correct option is internet. Cloud computing delivers services over the internet. That is option C. Which is question number 16. Which is a key benefit of cloud computing? Fixed cost, local storage, scalability, and high maintenance. The correct option is scalability. You can easily scalability, which easily increase. Benefits of cloud computing. The size of the users uses can be increased easily without any interruption. That is option C. SaaS in cloud computing stands for software and services, software as a solution, software as a services, system access as software. The correct option is SaaS in cloud computing stands for software as service. That is option C. Google Drive is an example of IIS, PASS, SaaS, none of the above. The correct option is the SaaS. That is option C. Question number 19. Which cloud model allows maximum user control? SaaS, IIS, PASS, and DaaS. The correct option is IaaS. IaaS. That is option B. PaaS offer infrastructure only, complete software, platform for developers, data storage only. The correct option is platform for developers. That is option C. Question number 21. What is a virtual machine in cloud computing? A physical CPU, simulated computer within a host, real computer cluster, application software. This virtual machine in cloud computing is simulated computer within a host. That is option B. Question number 22. Public cloud is for private use only, open to anyone over the internet, installed locally, paid subscription only, because public cloud is open to anyone over the internet. That is option B. What is cloud storage mainly used for? Graphic processing, online memory card, file saving and backup, compiling program. The correct option is file saving and backup. That is option C. Which company is a major cloud provider? Intel, Microsoft Azure, OpenAI, or Lenovo? The correct option is OpenAI is a major cloud provider. That is option C. A hybrid cloud combines public and mobile storage, private and local disks, public and private cloud, CPU and RAM uses. The correct option is public and private cloud. That is option C. Edge computing reduces internet bills, latency by processing near data sources, data accuracy, or server temperatures. The correct option is latency by processing near data source. That is option B. Students, these are the answer key. You can refer the questions according to this answer key. If you have any query, you can write me in comment. As you know that in every video at the end of the session, I am providing you two challenges questions. Please, you can solve these challenges questions and write me in comment. If you have any query, any question, you can discuss with me. Challenging question number 1. Why is deep learning more powerful than traditional machine learning techniques? It requires less data for training. It uses decision tree for logic. It can automatically extract complex features from raw data. It focuses only on structured data. Please provide me correct answer. Challenging question number 2 is, in cloud computing, why is IaaS considered more flexible than SaaS? It limits customization. It provides direct control over infrastructure resources. It restricts user access. It is only available to developers. Which one is the correct option? You should write me in comment. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. If you like my video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Jazakallah khair.